In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Calculator in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once it's open, move your cursor to the address bar at the very top of the window. This is sometimes called the Omnibox because it handles both web addresses and searches. Click it so it's active and ready for typing. Now, type a math problem directly into that bar. For example, you can enter 25(8) to multiply 25 by 8. You can also use other common operators like plus, minus, a// for division, and parentheses if you want to control the order of operations. Decimals work too, and you can even use the percent sign when you need it. As you type, Chrome understands the expression just like a regular calculator would. Press Enter on your keyboard. Chrome will instantly show the answer right at the top of the search results. In most cases, you'll also see an interactive calculator panel appear along with your answer. This is handy because you can keep going from there, adjust your expression in the box, click the on-screen buttons, or type a new equation without leaving the page. If something doesn't look right, simply click back into the expression and edit it, then press Enter again. If you want a full on-screen calculator without entering a specific equation first, there's a quick way to bring it up. Click the address bar and type the word calculator, then press Enter. Chrome will load Google's calculator front and center on the results page. This gives you a familiar keypad with numbers, basic operators, and advanced functions. When the full calculator appears on your screen, you can use it for everyday math like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. It also handles percentages, which is great for quick discounts or tips. Need roots or powers? You'll find square root and exponent keys. For more advanced work, switch to scientific functions to access things like pi, logarithms, and exponents. Trigonometry buttons are available too, and you can toggle between degrees and radians if your calculation requires it. You can click the buttons with your mouse or type directly on your keyboard for faster input. If you make a mistake, use the clear or backspace options to correct it without starting over. That's it. Whether you type a quick equation right into the address bar or open the full calculator, Chrome makes solving math fast and convenient. Give it a try the next time you need an answer in a hurry.